In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix GitHub error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is refresh the page and check your internet connection. Sometimes a slow or unstable network can trigger this error. If that does not work, try opening GitHub in a different browser or use incognito or private mode to rule out cache or extension issues. Click on three dots, select the option New Incognito, then navigate to the website of GitHub. From here you can access it. Next, if you have enabled VPN, you will need to disable it, since VPNs or proxy services can sometimes interfere with server connections and cause timeouts. Next up, you can check the server status of GitHub. For that, open a new tab, go ahead and type in GitHub server status and search for it. Now navigate to the official website, click on it. Now from here you can check the server status. If you found out any disruptions or outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If there are no issues, you can follow other steps. If you're working with repositories or API requests, the error might happen due to a long-running process or heavy load. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again, or reduce the size of your request if possible. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.